Elaine Bullard. Scientific career. She explored the diverse habitats of the 39 islands of Orkney to record its flora, both flowering and non-flowering plants such as ferns. There are around 500 native plants and a further 200 have been introduced. She recorded not only species but hybrids, and over more than half a century built up an unrivaled knowledge and record of Orcadian plant life. At times, she traveled in a robin-reliant three-wheeler which she had modified. She also made field records in the adjacent mainland region of Caithness to compare island and mainland. Her records, revisiting the same site over many years, have provided the data to assess the impact of changes in land management and climate. She also campaigned for a repository for biological records of Orkney and was eventually successful when the Orkney Biodiversity Records Center was founded. Her work inspired visiting academics, students, and teachers over decades. She was the official recorder of Orkney for the Botanical Society of the British Isles for 46 years, 1963–2009, resigning this role when she was 93 years old. Her scientific publications of papers, treatises, and book chapters included work on the Scottish primrose Primula scotica, endemic to Orkney and the north coast of Scotland. Her checklist of the flowering plants and ferns of Orkney, published in 1972 and subsequently updated, is the essential reference for the island's flora. Personal life. From the age of 10, Elaine Bullard was interested in identifying plants. However, she was entirely a self-taught botanist. She moved to Orkney in 1946 as a milk recorder employed by the Milk Marketing Board. In 1960, she gave up this employment to concentrate on recording the plants of Orkney. Selected publications: Elaine R. Bullard, Wildflowers of Orkney, a new checklist, 1995, ISBN 951,607,111, 9,780,951,607,114–44. Alan H. Bremner, Elaine R. Bullard, Trees and Shrubs in Orkney, 1990, Southgate Publishers, ISBN 951,607,000. N. Dennis, Elaine R. Bullard, Jethro Tinker, 1788–1871, Field Naturalist, Nora Fisher Macmillan, Elaine R. Bullard, H. D. H. Shearer, J. D. Day, and R. M. M. Crawford. Survival and Flowering of Primula scotica Hook. Journal of Ecology, Vol. 85, 1987, pp. 589–602. Elaine R. Bullard, Orkney, a checklist of vascular plants, flowering plants, and ferns, 1972, 1979. W. R. Rendall Assen, B0 Mon W. Uitwaya. References ==